Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss with you one of most benefitable leaf. So friend, watch till end of my video. So this leaf name is Kulehara. Kulehara is becoming exclusive for health because of the balance in its micronutrient content, and it rich in iron as well as vitamin C. It rich source of potassium also. And Kulehara juice is perfect health capsule in a benefit for digestive and improve stomach and liver function and increase immunity power also, then increase our blood hemoglobin level and make look beautiful also. Then it is work as a herbal health supplement. If you are in low blood pressure, then it will correct your pressure level. Then general weakness also it will check. If you are anemic, then it's very good for your health. Then appetite level also it's correcting. One of most important benefit is gastric and acidity regulator. So this is the nutrition guide of Kulehara herb in 100 gram fresh Kulehara. So friend, try it at your home. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my